Hi everyone. So this is how I take care of my cat. He's so muddy. Has muddy.
How do you get all muddy?
He decided to play outside.
Were you playing, Murdock? What were you doing, Murdock? Were you getting in the mud? Were you getting dirty? Your mama's got to give you a bath?
Yes. And instead, he decided
Dogs
to...
love the mud. It's a hot
So
day.
this is his shampoo.
What is
2-in-1
that?
shampoo.
What kind of shampoo is that? Let me see.
Ramen Hammer.
Ramen Hammer? No, Arm and Hammer.
Arm and Hammer. So this is in cucumber mint. Okay.
Does he like that scent?
I
Cucumber
don't
mint?
know. How do you like that, baby? Oh, I think he likes it. To have like a warm bath. At first he's like freaked out. So what I do is just want to make sure that the
His paws are
Puppy.
really dirty.
oh yeah, I know. Whoa!
What happened?
Come on, Murdock.
His paws are totally black.
Come on. Why do you do this to me? Oops. I even forgot to take off my watch. Here, babe. Thank you. Thanks. Let me see your paws. And after these, Mama's gonna cut your nails, okay? Nails, okay? You decided to stay outside, huh? Maybe I should use a hybrid outside. Make sure you use warm, like lukewarm, or just a little bit more, not too much. Else, you'll burn baby. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Make sure you don't spray directly to the eyes. I just want to make sure you and make sure that your head is like down. Yep. No.
Get the other space. There's something about that there.
What did you do? It's still hot. Oh! What are you doing to me? Do you think it's funny? No, you know, he's not. Hey, I have to make sure he's positive. Okay? Oh, please, make sure, like, the insides of his legs are good too. Here, I can see where there's a bird. No, not done yet. Make sure he's good.
It doesn't look best.
As long as it's warm. This. I read on the internet that like warm that. What about if I do this? And let's see how it works. Let's see. Oh, where the
This one?
yeah. Let's see. Whoa. I think I'm getting it. I like this. But these ones,
The water, the tub is not really deep enough. He's probably not gonna swim. He can stand in it until it reaches the overflow.
sure your feet line just want to make sure that they're like inside are really clean. And sometimes I just want to like do this in the face.
Oh,
Still cool with it.
he's about to sit down in it. He's going to sit down in 4 inches of water. Like nothing.
wants to play. Now stop! He's full of energy.
His memory will live on in my heart forever.
Oh, sit down. Anna! Here. Hey! I think because he's so hyper, I think I'm just gonna have him like play first just to wear his energy up. Come on! Mama is tired already. You make Mama sweat.
It's time to forget your worries. Escape.
So he loves to do this?
Water is warm, the people are even warmer, and there are 1,000 wonderful moments waiting to unfold.
Oh, what is that? Oh, what's that? No, do this. Cut his nails because it's really like very. My sister's is here. Not really good to be right. My sister is here. My sister is here. It's funny. See my sweatsuit? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna wear his energy off. Then I think he's almost there. And then go into the tree. This tree is like a vitamin, multivitamin. And I'm just gonna bring him here in this area. So we can cut his nails. See how this is. This is by my tea pan. So, I don't even know how to use it. Oh, it's just like this. I'm sorry. I thought it's gonna open wide, but it was not. So, cameraman, come closer. So, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna cut Murdock focus. Here. I'm gonna stuff that in your teeth, in your mouth again. Yeah, screw on that. Ah! I think we might need some help from Daddy.
Like a spacecraft on a comet. And it was like this big deal that the media and Twitter focused on the shirt he was wearing because it had like
Daddy's calling you.
on it, and it was like it's like science took a back seat to like woke hysteria. Do you remember that story?
I don't remember that story.
I don't want him to bite me.
I'm totally on board with NASA giving rid of these offensive names. I got a few myself that they need to be a little more thorough on. For example, why do
I really need to do this, baby.
Couldn't be the daughter.
Because you're hurting mommy.
How about asteroids?
It hurts.
I prefer hemorrhoids. It's just
Yes, yeah. Chew on that. No. Chew on that. Chew that. Chew that. Chew. So it has like a stopper, so it won't get all the way in. So see, it doesn't hurt for him. Oh, what was that? And I think it has a ouch. Don't chew on me. I'm not a bone. And I believe it has like a little nail file in here that I could not get.
I think your patient has escaped.
There you go. My patient has escaped. Come on. The mommy needs to stretch. Come on. I need to drag him. Come on.
so much to take it up. So
There you go. I can tell his energy is wearing off because he's tired of.
what do we call it offensive?
Here.
Here. I mean, that's just the size of very simple, very exact.
Here.
So no, I said I'm not.
Yeah. There is no final frontier.
Have him bite back.
My least store. My
Yeah,
least
get me busy with that. So, nope, nope. Come, ouch! Ow, babe! Stop! He wants to play! Ow, ow! Stop!
Now, did you see that? He's laid down a bit.
Should we my hand here? Yeah, chill with that thing. Chill with that. Dude, I still have 19 more nails to cut. Okay? Please, let mommy do it. Please.
I'm wondering if you'll get through all 19.
I know. Oh my goodness.
That you have left. So you've done one so far
I've done one so far.
in 10 minutes and 39 seconds.
Ouch. Babe, I think you need to hold him. Yeah, this is like a job for two people. Especially when you have a dog like this.
Yeah, so
Babe, come on up.
easiest thing to do, I found. Easiest thing to do.
But watch his
is-
mouth.
Don't worry, I'm not sitting on him.
I know, but his
I
mouth
just have
is
my
reaching
I know,
us.
I just have my legs behind him, so what I'm gonna do is just kind of muzzle his mouth over here. I don't even need to muzzle his mouth. I'm just gonna play with him. You know, pat him, distract him, keep him from looking at her. And
Yep, so you don't really have to worry about this because it has like a stopper.
it really
So
helps
you
to
don't
have
Overcut.
somebody help.
America's future right there. All right,
Go ahead and do it quickly, please.
Huh?
Just do it quickly. Because you have the stopper, so you can be pretty confident. Just make sure that's straight. Make sure you're measure it properly.
No. Good boy, good boy. Good boy, wow. Good boy. Wow.
One treat, huh?
Right here. Wow.
Good job. Good job. Good job, Murdock. You made it through the first pump. Good
Good
job.
job. Good job.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Wow.
So now I can start going.
I have to buy this.
Right, let's. Much more question.
Good boy. He's not asking for it. It's biggest.
Take yours. And the bulldog, I know, but it's different.
He's such a big dog.
Good boy. Good boy. Make it. Two more.
Two more.
Almost there.
How much can I find it, okay?
Pet him. Pet him a little more rapidly. Tell him how much a good boy he is. Oh, how he's such a good boy. He's being such a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. He's such a good boy, Murdock. Yes, you are.
Last one. Last one, Murdock. It's okay, it's okay. Ah. Oh my gosh. That's a workout for me.
Good job. He's trying to figure out how to. Yeah, hey, ready.
What?
Look at.
Oh, he's a smart dog.
Boy, he's a good boy, and he's a smart boy, and he's a troublemaking boy.
Thank you guys for watching. Oh my gosh, if you see it's such a struggle. I am breaking a sweat here. I think mommy needs to